Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video because you guys know I love me a super easy, simple makeup product. So this is like right up my alley. Today we're gonna be playing around with the brand new Colourpop Shadow Stix. So these are not their original color sticks. They said goodbye to those and hello to this new product and formula. So these are launching on March 30th at 10 a.m. PST. As always, you guys can use my code, it is just KATRINA, and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. Brand new formula. I think they slowly were like getting rid of the color sticks. I know like they just had a sale where they, all the old ones were like $1. So I'm really excited about these because we have 16 shades, 12 metallics, and 4 matte shades, which I was very excited for the matte shades. I already, like the minute I saw them, I was like, oh, I know exactly what kind of look I want to do with them. So it says, say goodbye to color sticks and hello to shadow sticks. We've made the formula even creamier, the color payoff more intense, and the tip bigger for effortless application. It comes in 16 all-new shimmering metallics and creamy matte hues for high impact, long-lasting color in one swipe. Line it up, wear it all over, smudge it, smoke it out, wear it so many ways for endless looks. And they also, this is what I was like, when I saw the tip of these, I was like, damn, I really liked the tip on the color sticks. But these have a built-in sharpener, so I was very happy about that. So they do come in like a stick form like this, and they have like this very like domed kind of tip, but like I said, they do have the sharpener in them if you want to use it to get something a little bit more precise, if you want to do something like more with like a liner or something. So you guys know the drill here. I'll be doing swatches, a little demo, a tutorial, and then also giving you guys my review at the end of the video. So let me get into just kind of some info and showing you guys the swatches of these because the swatches are stunning. So I did swatches with like my regular lights that I use all the time, and I also turned off the lights and used my flash so you guys can kind of see the shimmers a little bit better. So I'll put those swatches right here. So there are just a mixture of neutrals, colorful shades, metallics, like there's so much in here. I really love, I'll start off with the matte shades first. Also, I'm getting my hair done today and I need to leave in literally 5 minutes. So we have, for the matte shades, they're a little bit more neutral, which I love. So we have like a lighter, like neutral brown, something a little bit more like pinky. Walnut Avenue is like a darker, just warm brown. And then the one I was very excited for as well is Plum Tart. This is a matte plum shade. So this will be so pretty as like liner. Oh, I love this so much. So those are the matte shades. So I try to keep all the mattes and everything in the swatches together, and same with the shimmers. So shimmers, we have some like champagne, some bronze shades, some like, what is this? Like a bronzy rose kind of shade. There's just a mixture. There's some peach, the blue and green in here are so pretty. They swatch beautifully. There's a really pretty like baby pink, a lavender, flex, which is the gold one. This one right here. It swatches so pretty. I can't wait to do a look with that one. They're super, super creamy, so they're easy to blend out. And last night when I was doing the swatches, I like kind of rubbed my hand against the swatches. It was fairly quickly, I will say, but they did smudge out. So I wasn't like, okay, I don't know if they're like very long wearing or whatever. But so far I've had my eyes on already for like the last like 20 minutes and it doesn't feel like it's gonna move around or anything. So I think they do set. It just takes a little bit of time for them to set. But I didn't notice like creasing or anything right away like when I first applied them. So I do think they are like transfer proof and like long wearing. So that was all of the colors and I think they're so pretty. Like the swatches looked stunning. I like couldn't stop taking pictures of them. But anyways, like I said, these are launching on the 30th. I'll go ahead and link everything down below for you guys once they are available. And I don't know when I'm going to upload this, so it might already be available when you guys are watching this. So if they are, it'll be linked down below. But yeah, anyways, I did do a little look using some of the color sticks today. I wanted to do something really natural because I was like, I want to see how easy these are to just do like a very quick like 2-3 minute eye look, and she didn't disappoint. So this is the look that I came up with right here. So if you guys want to see these products in action and to hear my final thoughts on everything, then just keep watching. Okay, so I have already done like most of my makeup since it's just like eye products. I'm just going to stick to the eyes today. So I'm baking right now. So let's try out these shadow sticks. Have a look in mind some of the mattes and the shimmers right now to do like a little eye look only using these. So I'm going to start off with Cocktail Party, and I'm not even going to use any brushes except for probably I'm going to do like a little liner with it. I'm just going to go in, blend this out. This one is Cocktail Party, and this seems like a really pretty, like, just all over shade. Honestly, for just using my fingers, it blends out pretty easily. Did prime my eyes with the About Face primer. Also, it's literally pouring outside, so if you can hear the rain, I'm so sorry. I like that how creamy they are. And they do seem to be blending out pretty easily. So honestly, super easy, like a really pretty light wash of shadow. Going with Honey Baby, and this is one of the shimmers. I'm gonna put this on the inner part. Actually really, really pretty. This is probably like the fastest eye look I'll probably ever do. I do think that they blend out really nicely. They look really pretty. Like, I love how the shimmer one looks. I don't like how it looks on this outer edge right here. I'm back with Cocktail Party just to kind of blend that a little bit. No, it looks, I don't know what I did. It looks fine on this side. I don't know what I did on this side. Let me try to fix it. I just kind of like scraped off the edge because it was looking a little weird, but I found what I did wrong. So on this side, I was kind of like swiping it to blend, and on this side, I like was tapping it out. So tapping it out to blend is the way to go, like just like this, and not like in swiping motions like I was doing. So now it looks a little bit better. I'm gonna take that along the lower lash line. This I'm gonna swipe because I'm like, whatever. This is such an easy eye look. Love that they have the sharpeners on the other end if you want something like a little bit more precise, which I'm gonna do right now because I'm gonna go in with Walnut Avenue. I'm gonna do this as like a smoky liner. So I'm gonna take the little sharpener on this edge and just sharpen this baby up real quick, just so I have a little bit more of a precise edge. They sharpen very well. So I'm going to take Walnut Avenue and I'm going to use this as a smoky liner. So I'm going to do kind of like the liner shape first, and then I'm going to blend it out with this little brush. This is my Lancome liner brush. It has like the two ends on it. Smudge it out and then make that my little line. I will clean this up with concealer. This looks a little crazy, but I'm going to clean it up. Whatever was left from smudging that out, I'm going to take it on the lower lash line just to kind of connect the edges. I went ahead and just did this eye really quick. It's kind of giving like, I feel like you have to learn how to work with these a little bit. I feel like tapping kind of helps a lot more so than like blending it out, swiping or anything like that. The liner wasn't what I had in mind, but it kind of gives like that indie sleaze, like kind of slept in, grungy kind of makeup look, and I'm not too mad at it. So it is what it is. I'm gonna go back a little bit with Honey Baby. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Cold Girl, which is this like bright white. Okay, let me go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on these. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Honestly, it's like a really simple look. This is exactly what I wanted to do today because I didn't want to do anything crazy. And I feel like this is like what I love these kind of products for, is like a really easy eye look that looks like I tried, but it really took me like 5 minutes. I really like them. I do think that they do take a little bit of like a learning curve with them. I found that to blend them out, I mean, you could use a brush if you wanted to like blend them out. I don't have time for that. If I'm going to use a shadow stick, it's because I need to be fast, you know? So I found that like blending out the matte ones by tapping them out was better than kind of like swiping or anything like that, because I felt like it kind of built up at the edge of my eye where I was kind of swiping. So like when I was using, what was this one called? Coconut Party, blending, like tapping it out by blending was like the best way to go. Other than that, like the shimmer ones are pretty like self-explanatory. You just kind of like put them on and blend them out a little bit, but they add like such a pretty natural shimmer. I really do like Coconut Party though a lot for like an everyday, just kind of like throw something on my eyes to give it a little bit of definition. So this is going in my makeup bag and this is actually coming with me today because I'm going to be gone all day long today. So I really like how it looks. I think it was like really easy to use. The darker one I thought would be like a little bit of a different kind of smoky liner that I was going for, but I'm not mad at how it looks. It really does give like that kind of like very effortless, like looks really pretty. Like I like the color a lot and I like how it looks just straight on as well, but blended out, it kind of gives like this almost like indie sleaze, like just woke up in my makeup from last night kind of thing, but still looks really pretty. And obviously you didn't wake up in your makeup from last night. Or you know, it does still look like a very simple liner without doing too much. I feel like there's so much versatility with these. I feel like you could do a lot. But I really like them, and I'm really glad that they like redid this kind of product, because I did like the color sticks, but they were very hit or miss, like very hit or miss. And most times than not, I feel like there were more misses. I never really liked the metallic ones of the color sticks, but the matte ones I did, and I really liked that they were like they had a pointed tip. They were really easy to use for like graphic liner if you really wanted to, but they just like the formula was either too stiff or like they weren't pigmented enough. So I'm really glad that they reformulated and like redid this type of product. I'm so excited to use this blue one like all over the eye. I think they're so pretty. So like an everyday makeup look and just want something to throw in your bag to just throw on your eyes really quick, literally like in the car if you wanted to, the Coconut Party is the one. Like this is an everyday staple. If you are a little bit of a deeper skin tone, Walnut Avenue I think would be like the same kind of concept where you would just throw this all over and blend it out. But this is also really good for like what I used for like a smoky liner. And Honey Baby is a really pretty just like light shimmer for like all over the lid. Perfect. If you like everyday makeup looks and something for like everyday, those three are definitely the ones to pick up. But I also really like the colorful ones, the green and blue. Like when I swatch them, they're so stunning. Even I think, what was it called, Flex, I think it was like the really pretty gold one. They're stunning and they're so creamy. Yeah, definitely coconut, like the neutral ones and the matte ones I think are definitely like worth picking up. I think they're so pretty. Anyways, let me know down below what your guys' thoughts on these are. Are you guys gonna pick any of them up? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.